is still holding the gains of the session of today, the 26th of February 2025. At some point, they ran up a gain of around 260%. All of this was in the news that they had secured a patent. It says here, Enveric Biosciences shares soared over 161% in the pre-market trading and 192% in the pre-market after a U.S. Patent was granted for mescaline derivatives aimed at addiction and neuropsychiatric psychiatric disorders. Yeah, that's what happened. But overall, the underlying trend of the stock is a bearish one. You can clearly see that on the stock. You can clearly see that on its daily chart. Yeah, this is the underlying trend. Yeah, it's a bearish one, so don't expect that the stock is going to hold the gains it has run up in this session. It was just today's pump. It's probably going to continue to decline and continue to show its weakness. The stock has never ever closed above its 200 moving average. The last time I ever did that was all the way back in October of 2023, over a year ago. We see some of these spikes occur. This was in January, spiked to the highs for around 7.71, and because of that, the probability that it would do what it did today wasn't is was a decent one, was a realistic one. So we may see some spikes again some other time. But I don't expect the stock to it's just a PO. It's just a stock you have to play if something comes up. If you see something to do there, you do. But obviously, I think you know very well. I don't need to give you that advice. You know very well what's involved here. Surely, so. It's going to cool off slightly, even though momentum is expected. The 10-day moving average is expected to still continue to show some strength up till next week. But regardless of all of that, you just have to be careful with what's going on. The rally has already happened. Who knows? It could happen. It could continue tomorrow, but I really don't expect much to happen. But this is its 1 minute chart. From time to time, it does a spike. We've seen it get a rejection at this upper projection of 2.29. There's an upper projection here of 2.33. All of these are on the 1 minute chart, and the market has just closed. Let's come down to its 5 minute chart and see what's going on. Here we don't have any upper projections, nothing. Okay, we just have to come down to maybe the hourly charts and see what's available there. Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see. The 2 hour chart, there's a play there. There's an upper projection in play there, 3.85. All of these projections, if you go by what has happened sometime early this year, as of early in January of this year, you can see that such probabilities are the probability of it spiking to or rather rebounding to this sort of levels is you may find that it's probably around 40% or thereabout. So because it has already done that before, it has already printed high highs before, especially in this session as well. We see 7.67. Yeah, 7.67 wasn't printed today. Okay, this is what it was. Yes, that's the price I'm talking about. So if you want to find out what the probability that it will get to this sort of level, you find out that it's a reasonable one. It will look you find out it's a reasonable probability, just simply because it has done that before. So yeah, let's have a look at its 3 hour chart and see what do we have. No upper projections. Extrapolation is for higher prices up till Friday the 28th of February. Yeah, still expected to hold the strength. That would be good if it does so. Yeah, even though I don't expect that it will do so. Let's see what the 4 hour chart is indicating. Strength is still expected as well to remain intact. There's a downward projection here of 1.42. So ENVB showed some strength, an impressive amount of strength. Ran up again of up to 260%. It should be even more than that if you go by, yeah, 260%. Yes, 260%. The probability that it can rebound to the highs of around 3.8% is looks decent. So I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.